periodic table. You can tell a lot about an element by its location on the periodic table. The periodic table is an extraordinarily useful tool for chemists. Just by looking at the location of the elements, a person familiar with the organization of the periodic table can not only tell the properties of that element, but also predict how it will react with other elements. So let's become familiar with the periodic table. In 1869, Dmitry Mendeleev, a Siberian chemistry professor, developed a periodic table to reveal the repeating pattern of characteristics of elements. Where there was a gap in the pattern, he correctly predicted undiscovered elements. In his periodic table, Mendeleev organized the elements by their atomic mass. Today, it is organized by atomic number. Remember, the atomic number is the number of protons of that element. The elements are arranged in rows by increasing atomic number. The rows are called periods. As you move from left to right across the period, the properties of the elements gradually change. And just like in school, as one period ends, another begins. There are 7 periods in the table. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 2 unattached rows belong in the 6th and 7th period, right over here. And some periodic tables place them there. But this is the most commonly used version of the modern periodic table. The elements are also organized in columns, referred to as groups. There are 18 groups. The 2 unattached rows are considered to be in group 3. Elements in the same group share many similar properties. For example, the elements in group 1 bond easily with other elements and are highly reactive with water, except hydrogen. Whereas the elements in group 18 rarely bond with other elements and do not react with water. Let's compare and contrast periods and groups. Both periods and groups are used to organize the elements. Periods are horizontal, whereas groups are vertical. Across a period, properties gradually change, but in a group, properties are similar. There are 7 periods, but 18 groups. Congratulations! Now that you have been introduced to the periodic table, you should be able to compare and contrast periods and groups. If not, review this introduction again. If so, continue to explore the periodic table and learn about the 3 main categories: metals, metalloids, and nonmetals. Goodbye for now, and let's not forget to give credit where credit is due.